Okay, so for our next example, we have x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. Okay, so step number 1, the equation must be in standard form. Okay, so ang standard form natin ay ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, pero ang equation natin dito ay naka-standard form na. Meron tayong quadratic term, linear term, at constant term. So let's proceed to the second example by identifying the values of b and c. Okay, so ano nga ba ang value ni b at c? Dito, ang operation natin sa linear term ay minus. Therefore, ang magiging value ni b is negative. Okay, so kung kanina ay plus, positive siya. Pero dito, kapag minus, magiging negative yung value ni b. Okay, and then next c equals to negative 36. Paano siya naging negative 36? Kasi ang operation natin sa constant term ay minus. Ibig sabihin nun, ang value ni c ay magiging negative. Okay, so ang value ni c ay negative 36. Next, write the factored form of x squared in each parenthesis. Okay, so isusulat natin ulit ang factored form natin. Quantity x, tapos lagyan lang natin ng mga space kasi mamaya i-fill up natin yan. Yung factor ni 36 na kung saan makukuha natin yung sum ni b na negative 5. Okay, so list all set of factors and choose the set that when adding up, we get the value of b. Okay, so kunin na natin ngayon ang mga factors ni negative 36. Again, pag sinabing factor, ano yung dalawang number na kapag i-multiply mo, makukuha mo yung product ng negative 36. Okay, so we have this set of factor of c and sum of its set. Okay, so number 1, 1 times negative 36, the answer is negative 36. Next, negative 1 times 36, the answer is negative 36. 3, 4 times negative 9, the answer is negative 36. 4, negative 4 times 9, the answer is negative 36. 5, 3 times negative 12, the answer is negative 36. 6 is negative 3 times 12, the answer is negative 36. Next is 5 times negative 18, the answer is negative 36, and negative 2 times 18, the answer is negative 36. Okay, so hindi ko na sinama si negative 6, negative 6 times 6, and then yung vice versa na, hindi ko na siya na-include dito. Okay, pero pwede naman yun na isama pa rin sa ating factors of c. Okay, so ayan lang yung kinuha kong factors para sa negative 36 natin. Okay, next ipag-add naman natin lahat ng factors. So we have 1 plus negative 36, the answer is negative 36. Okay, so addition of unlike sign. So ibig sabihin nun, kapag nag-add ka ng unlike sign, hindi sila parehong sign, kung positive at negative, always na isusubtract mo palagi, and then kokopyahin mo yung sign ng mataas na number, gaya nito. Okay, so positive, negative. So anong gagawin mo? Isusubtract mo sila. So 36 minus 1, the answer is 35. And then next, kokopyahin mo lang yung sign ng mataas na number. Okay? Ang sign ng mataas na number natin dito ay negative. Kaya negative 35 yung magiging sagot natin. Okay? Next, we have negative 1 plus 36. So, negative 1 plus 36, so become positive 35. Bakit? Kasi isusubtract lang natin yan. Kokopyahin lang natin palagi yung sign ng mataas na number. Okay? So, dito is 36 minus 35. 36 minus 1, the answer is 35. Ano naman yung sign ng mataas na number sa atin? Ang mataas na number natin ay 36. So, therefore, positive yung sign niya. Kaya, positive 35 yung sagot natin. Okay? Then, 4 plus negative 9, the answer is negative 5. Negative 4 plus 9, the answer is 5. Next, we have 3 plus negative 12, the answer is negative 9. Then next, negative 3 plus 12, the answer is 9. 2 plus negative 18, the answer is negative 16. And negative 2 plus 18, the answer is positive 16. Okay, so yan na ngayon yung mga sum of factors. Okay, so ang next na gagawin natin is identify natin kung alin ba yung merong sum na value ni b. Okay, so ang sum ang value ni b ay negative 5. Okay, so hanapin natin sa sum of each set. So we have negative 5. So ayan, number 3. So ang factor natin ay 4 and negative 9. Okay, so complete the factored form by supplying the set of factors of C, the sum of B. Okay, so ang factor natin is x plus 4, quantity x plus 4 times quantity x minus 9. So, ayan yung factor ni 36. Okay, so next, set up each factor equal to 0 and solve each resulting equation. Okay, so i-equate lang natin yung factor natin ng 0. Kung maglalagay tayo ng 0 in each factor, okay? So, 4x plus 4 equals to 0. So, again, ang unang gagawin dito or ang pinakamadaling gawin dito is to transpose plus 4 to the right side of the equation at mababago mo yung sign niya. From plus or from positive become negative or minus, okay? Pero dito, ang ginawa ko is kinuha ko yung additive inverse ni plus 4 at yun ay minus 4. And then, nilagay ko rin sa right side ng equation, okay? So, x plus 4 minus 4, so ito magiging 0 na yan, okay? May iwan na lang dyan ay x. And then, 0 minus 4, the answer is negative 4, okay? Next, when x minus 9 equals to 0, so naglagay lang tayo ng 0 para sa pangalawang factor natin na x minus 9. Okay, so ang unang gagawin dito is kailangan mong i-transpose. Yun yung gagawin, transpose or get the additive inverse gaya ng ginawa ko. So, x minus 9 plus 9, yung additive inverse ni 9. Ni minus 9, okay? And then 0 plus 9, okay? So, kung itra-transpose mo naman from minus or from negative 9, transpose mo become plus or positive 9, okay? So, x minus 9 plus 9, the answer is 0. 0 plus 9 equals to 9, okay? So, ang value ng x natin is negative 4 and positive 9. So, check natin kung tama nga ba yung sagot natin. By substituting the value of x, so we have 4x equals to negative 4. So x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. So our original equation. So 4x, just substitute the value of x. Negative 4 squared minus 5 times negative 4 minus 36 equals to 0. Negative 4 squared or negative 4 times negative 4, the answer is positive 16. Negative 5 times negative 4, the answer is positive 20 or plus 20. And then negative 36 equals to 0. 16 plus 20, the answer is 36. 36 minus 36 equals to 0. 36 minus 36 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. Therefore, tama yung value ng x natin ng negative 4. Okay? Next, 4x equals to 9. So we have x squared. So just substitute the value of x in our equation. So 9 squared minus 5 times 9 minus 36 equals to 0. Okay, so meron tayong x dito kaya pinalitan natin ng 9. Okay, ganun din yung ginawa natin dito sa yung value ng x natin ay negative 4. Okay, so 9 squared minus 5 times 9 minus 36 equals to 0. 9 squared or 9 times 9, the answer is 81. Negative 5 times 9, the answer is negative 45 or minus 45, and then minus 36 equals to 0. 81 minus 45, so ito negative 45 or minus 45. So since pareho sila ng sign, so ipag-add mo yan, and then kokopyahin mo lang yung sign ng mataas na number. Okay, from minus 35 to minus 36, so pareho sila ng sign, ipag-add mo yan, ang makukuha mo ay 81, and then kokopyahin mo lang yung sign ng mataas na number. Okay, so 81 minus 81, the answer is 0. So 0 equals to 0. Therefore, tama ulit yung sagot natin na value na x na equals to 9. Okay? So ang value ng x natin dito ay negative 4 and positive 9. Ibig sabihin, yan yung solution natin sa ating equation. Okay? Next, example number 4, x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So, step number 1, the equation must be in standard form. Okay, so ang equation dapat ay naka-standard form na dito. So, x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So, kung papansinin mo, ay naka-standard form ng ating equation. Siya si linear term, si quadratic term, sorry, linear term, and si constant number. Okay, next is identify the value of b and c. Okay, so ang value ng b natin dito ay 1. Bakit 1? Kasi x yan, ibig sabihin nun meron tayong imaginary 1. Okay? Take note na kapag x lang yan or x square man yan, meron tayong imaginary 1 na number or na value ng b or a natin. Okay? The next, c equals to negative 6 dahil ang operation natin sa ating equation ay minus. Therefore, c equals to negative 6. Next, write the factored form of x squared in each parenthesis. So, ayan, isusulat lang natin yung factored form niya. And then next is list or set a factor and choose the set that when adding up, you get the value of b. Okay, so kukunin na natin yung factor ni negative 6. Okay, yung value ni c. Okay, so ano ba yung mga factor niya? Okay, so set a factor of c. So we have negative 1 times 6, the answer is negative 6. 1 times negative 6, the answer is negative 6. 2 times negative 3, the answer is negative 6. And negative 2 times 3, the answer is negative 6. Okay, next na gagawin natin is pag-add natin yung mga factors ni c. Okay, sa set of factor. Okay, so negative 1 plus 6, the answer is 5. Paano siya naging 5? Addition of unlike terms. Okay, so kapag hindi sila pareho ng sign, ipagsusubtract mo and then copy the sign of the highest number. Okay, gaya dito, negative 1 plus 6. So, subtract mo 6 minus 1, the answer is 5. Ngayon, ano yung sign ng mataas na number natin? Si 6 ay positive, kaya magiging positive 5 yung sagot natin. Okay? Next, 1 plus negative 6 equals to negative 5. Okay, so addition of unlike terms again. So kapag hindi sila pareho, isusubtract lang natin. 6 minus 1, the answer is 5. Ano yung sign ng mataas na number? Negative, kaya negative 5 yung sagot natin. Okay? Next, we have 2 plus negative 3. The answer is negative 1. And negative 2 plus 3, the answer is 1. Okay? So magiging sagot natin dito ay negative 2 plus 3. Ang factor pala natin ay negative 2 and 3. Okay? So, complete the factored form by supplying the set of factor of c. So, complete na natin. So, ang nakuha natin ay negative 2 and positive 3. Okay? So, next, set up each factor equal to 0 and solve each resulting equation. Okay, so unang muna natin is si x minus 2. So maglalagay lang tayo ng equals to 0. Okay, so ang gagawin dito, pwede nyo siyang i-transpose yung minus 2 or negative 2, magiging positive 2. Okay, or kunin mo yung additive inverse ni minus 2 which is plus 2. Okay, so gaya ng ginawa ko dito, nilagay ko din na plus 2 sa right side ng equation. So pwede na natin i-cancel yan kasi x minus 2 plus 2, so pwede yung i-simplify, magiging 0 yung sagot natin, okay? And then 0 plus 2, the answer is 2, okay? Next, x plus 3 equals to 0, so transpose mo lang si positive 3 or si plus 3, magiging minus or negative, okay? Or, di naman kaya, kunin mo yung additive inverse ng plus 3, which is minus 3 or negative 3, and then huwag din kakalimutang ilagay sa right side ng equation. Okay? So, x plus 3 minus 3. So, pwede na itong i-cancel kasi 0 naman yan. And then, 0 minus 3, the answer is negative 3. So, yan na yung value ng x natin. So, i-check natin kung tama nga ba yung nakuha natin values na x kung masasolve ba yung ating equation. Okay? So, using now the original equation, we have x squared plus plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Substitute the value of x, which is 2. So, 2 squared plus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. Okay? So, 2 squared or 2 times 2, the answer is 4. Plus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. So, 6 minus 6 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. Therefore, 2 is solution in our equation. Okay? Next, for x equals to negative 3. So, we have just substitute the value of x. We have negative 3 squared plus negative 3 minus 6 equals to 0. Negative 3 squared or negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is positive 9. And then, since plus ito at minus negative sign si 3 natin, so magiging negative na para maalis yung parenthesis natin. Okay, so 9 minus 3 minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so 9, negative 3, or ito, since they are the same na sign, so, ibig sabihin, ipag-add mo na lang yan and then copy na lang yung sign ng mataas na number which is 9, okay? Which is negative pala, okay, sorry. 9 minus 9 equals to 0, then 0 equals to 0. Okay, paano na ko yung 0? 9 minus 9, the answer is 0, 0 equals to 0. Therefore, negative 3 is solution in our equation. So, ang value ng x natin dito ay 2 and negative 3, okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening.